Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're back at it working on Rona again today. Last week we got all of the priming done, ready for paint, so Leah's just in the back of the Defender now and getting rid of any silicone bits that had been there, and what we'll do is we'll give it a final sanding down, and then we've got some Autotech black gloss paint. We're just going to paint all of the inside, and then it'll be ready for sound deadening later on. Sunday morning, fought with the driver's side wing yesterday evening, probably from about 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. As soon as we got that off, we called it a night. We went to the chip shop and got dinner, went home, went pretty much straight to bed. So new morning, and a few different bits and pieces that we'll spend our time looking at today. I want to figure out on this footwell, the rust that I showed you on the driver's side, on the inside last week. What do we need to change there? So I was able to poke a screwdriver through some of it, some of the rust, so we're going to have to figure out what needs cut out, what needs patched back in. And I think what I'm most excited about today though is the sound deadening. So check this out. Three packs of Noico 2mm sound deadening. There was meant to be a roller for application as well, so that doesn't look like it's in the box. So I'll maybe have to have a look around here and see if there's something that I can use instead, but I'll keep you posted. So as I said when I was opening the boxes, I ordered the Noico black 2mm sound deadening material, and what that's going to do is it's going to get rid of the, well, that's not a good example, but the real reverberation of this. And because whenever you're driving, all of the aluminium sheets, they vibrate, and it's, so if you imagine dropping a stone into, you know, a pond and you see the little ripples of water going, that's exactly what's happening with the aluminium panels as we drive along. So what we'll end up doing is going from that to a more of a, it'll deaden that sound, it'll just pad it out. It's also going to add a little bit of insulation as well. We will do another insulating coat as part of the camper refurb, but what I'm going to do now is, now that Leah's got all of this painted, we've got a really nice clean surface, I'm just going to use some warm soapy water to clean down the area, just so that we've got a perfectly clean surface to lay this down. It's got an adhesive back, so I'll just fit it out, shape it to size, and then we'll be good to go. sheet done. As you might have already seen, I don't have a ruler, so I'm just compressing it down with the end of a paint can lid. Not ideal, but I'm under a bit of time pressure, so I want to get it done. And it's like there's little bubbles on the Noico sound deadening, and as long as you can see that those are pressed down, you know that it's adhering properly. So I'm just going to keep adhering it as best I can, and then we'll see how that turns out. Hopefully, if we need to next week, we can add the heavy roller on it and just really secure that down. But for now, I think that's it. It's adhesing, sticking. It's sticking well. So we'll just keep going as we are. So this is one side of the benches sound deadened. I'll just turn the camera around, let you see that. So it goes on really easily. I definitely recommend Noico, having used it just now, and really easy to maneuver around more difficult parts. I just haven't ruled that bit down yet, but as you can see here, overlaps quite well, and yeah, just a really nice finished product. The reason we went for the black and black was because we didn't want, the other option is to get a silver, and we didn't want to do that because the last thing you want is kind of silver sheets kind of shining through if you've got a panel that doesn't cover all of the body work, etc. So black on black seemed to work really well, and you can see there just how it overlaps and seams. So I'm going to keep going and you guys can watch along. So this is us for another week on the builds. You guys have seen what's happened. Got the wing off, got the sound deadening done, and I'm gonna call it a day for today. I just put the inner wing back on, the grille, a few bits and pieces just so that not everything's lying around the workshop. So gotta keep it as tidy as possible. So yeah, I'm quite tired, but hope you've enjoyed this week's episode. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and you can keep up to date on our Instagram page, Roaming with Rona, so you can see everything behind the scenes there as well. See you next week.